Ever wondered how to use Manuka honey in your daily routine? Originating from New Zealand, this unique honey boasts special properties thanks to its UMF rating. Selecting a high-quality Manuka honey and storing it correctly are key. Now that you know what Manuka honey is and how to select and store it, let's explore its uses. One of the simplest ways to enjoy Manuka honey is by using it as a drizzle over your favorite foods. Imagine a spoonful of this rich, earthy honey cascading over creamy Greek yogurt, or lending its unique caramel undertones to a bowl of fresh fruit. Picture it melding into a warm bowl of oatmeal, enhancing the wholesome grains with its slightly bitter aftertaste. The possibilities are as endless as they are delicious. But Manuka honey isn't just for drizzling over food. Did you know you can add Manuka honey to your favorite beverages? Just imagine a spoonful in your tea, not only sweetening it but also potentially boosting your health. Or blend it into your morning smoothie. Even mix it with warm water and lemon for a soothing, immunity-boosting shot. These are just a few ways to incorporate Manuka honey into your beverages, but there's more. Manuka honey isn't just for eating, it can also be used in your skincare routine. To create a DIY facial mask, simply apply a thin layer of Manuka honey to your face. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. This natural ingredient is known for its skin benefits, such as hydrating and soothing the skin, and even helping with acne due to its antibacterial properties. So as you can see, Manuka honey is a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different ways. So we've explored a few different ways to use Manuka honey in your daily routine, from drizzling it over Greek yogurt or a warm bowl of oatmeal, to enhancing your morning tea or smoothie, not to mention the delightful treat of honey-top toast, and even a DIY facial mask. And let's not forget the soothing immunity-boosting drink. All these make Manuka honey a versatile addition to your pantry. We hope you've enjoyed learning about Manuka honey, and look forward to hearing how you incorporate it into your daily routine. Until next time, stay sweet.